So usually the hardest thing about replacing a blown fuse is finding the fuse box, because very often it's in a dusty corner of the basement and there are a bunch of them down there. So this is Robert Markey. I've been in construction for many years, and we're going to talk about how to replace a blown fuse. So once you actually find the fuse box and it's the right one, and you make sure it's the right one, open up, and if there's a list of what's what over here, of which room, what things there are, it's going to give you a clue to which fuse it is. Sometimes you can't read that, so you have to look right at the fuse and find the one that's blown, which is sort of purplish, and it's sort of obvious that it's blown. There's stuff that you can see on the inside. So when that happens, you take the blown fuse out, and you take the replacement fuse. You want to make sure that it's the same amperage. That's a 20 amp fuse. So your replacement also wants to be a 20 amp fuse. Screw it back in. Close it up. And then you want to go check and make sure whatever didn't work before it blew now works. I'm Robert Markey. We've been talking about how to replace a blown fuse.